A share vastness value equivalent to $7.0396 a coin. The present exchanged cost range. $6.8775, $7.0892. The earlier day close. $6.9310. The change was plus 0.1086, plus 1.57%. Converse rate. United States dollars to Axes. A share endlessness value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. A share boundlessness cost expectation for December. Exorbitant cost 7.88, while low cost 5.78. The normal for the month $6.55. A share limitlessness cost gauge toward the month's end $6.22, change for December 1.3%. A share boundlessness gauge for January 2024. Before all else cost at $6.22. Excessive cost 8.45, while low cost 5.20. The normal for the month $6.37. A share limitlessness cost conjecture toward the month's end $5.59, change for January 10.1%. A share limitlessness cost expectation for February 2024. Before all else cost at $5.59. Excessive cost 6.89, while low cost 5.59. The normal for the month $6.13. A share boundlessness cost estimate toward the month's end $6.44, change for February 15.2%. A share endlessness estimate for WAC 2024. In the first place cost at $6.44. Excessive cost 7.99, while low cost 6.44. The normal for the month $7.09. A share vastness cost estimate toward the month's end $7.47, change for spring 16.0%. A share endlessness cost expectation for April 2024. To start with cost at $7.47. Exorbitant cost 7.84, while low cost 6.82. The normal for the month $7.37. A share limitlessness cost gauge toward the month's end $7.33, change for April 1.9%. A share limitlessness gauge for May 2024. First and foremost cost at $7.33. Exorbitant cost 8.15, while low cost 7.09. The normal for the month $7.55. A share limitlessness cost gauge toward the month's end $7.62, change for May 4.0%. A share endlessness cost expectation for June 2024. Initially cost at $7.62. Excessive cost 8.23, while low cost 7.15. The normal for the month $7.67. A share vastness cost gauge toward the month's end $7.69, change for June 0.9%. A share vastness gauge for July 2024. To start with cost at $7.69. Exorbitant cost 8.50, while low cost 7.38. The normal for the month $7.88. A share boundlessness cost estimate toward the month's end $7.94, change for July 3.3%. A share endlessness cost expectation for August 2024. In the first place cost at $7.94. Exorbitant cost 8.77, while low cost 7.63. The normal for the month $8.14. A share limitlessness cost gauge toward the month's end $8.20, change for August 3.3%. A share boundlessness figure for September 2024. Initially cost at $8.20. Excessive cost 8.90, while low cost 7.74. The normal for the month $8.29. A share limitlessness cost gauge toward the month's end $8.32, change for September 1.5%. A share limitlessness cost expectation for October 2024. Before all else cost at $8.32. Excessive cost 9.17, while low cost 7. A share boundlessness cost figure toward the month's end $8.57, change for October 3.0%. A share endlessness figure for November 2024. In the first place cost at $8.57. Exorbitant cost 9.46, while low cost 8.22. The normal for the month $8.77. A share vastness cost conjecture toward the month's end $8.84, change for November 3.2%. A share vastness cost expectation for December 2024. To start with cost at $8.84. Exorbitant cost 10.97, while low cost 8.84. The normal for the month $9.73. Axie limitlessness cost conjecture toward the month's end $10.25, change for December 16.0%. Axie limitlessness conjecture for January 2025. At the outset cost at $10.25. Excessive cost $11.34, while low cost $9.86. The normal for the month $10.51. Axie vastness cost gauge toward the month's end $10.60, change for January 3.4%. Axie vastness cost expectation for February 2025. First and foremost cost at $10.60. Exorbitant cost $11.79, while low cost $10.25. The normal for the month $10.92. Axie vastness cost estimate toward the month's end $11.02, change for February 4.0%. Axie endlessness estimate for WOC 2025. To start with cost at $11.02. Exorbitant cost $12.26, while low cost $10.66. The normal for the month $11.35. Axie boundlessness cost figure toward the month's end $11.46, change for spring 4.0%. Axie endlessness cost expectation for April 2025. In the first place cost at $11.46. Exorbitant cost $12.60, while low cost $10.96. The normal for the month $11.70. Axie vastness cost conjecture toward the month's end $11.78, change for April 2.8%. Axie vastness conjecture for May 2025. At the outset cost at $11.78. Excessive cost $11.78, while low cost $9.21. The normal for the month $10.67. Axie boundlessness cost estimate toward the month's end $9.90, change for May 16.0%. Axie boundlessness cost expectation for June 2025. Initially cost at $9.90. Excessive cost $12.28, while low cost $9.90. The normal for the month $10.89. Axie limitlessness cost figure toward the month's end $11.48, change for June 16.0%. Axie boundlessness figure for July 2025. Before all else cost at $11.48. Excessive cost $14.25, while low cost $11.48. The normal for the month $12.63. Axie boundlessness cost estimate toward the month's end $13.32, change for July 16.0%. Axie endlessness cost expectation for August 2025. In the first place cost at $13.32. Exorbitant cost $16.53, while low cost $13.32. The normal for the month $14.66.